All right, guys, we're gonna go into the trade. Your boy made $4,500 today off his trading instincts today. So we're gonna go into the market and see what did we see and why did we take the trades we did. So Monday, as you can see, the market has pushed up. So to me, this is a pivot right here, the 4-hour pivot. If it breaks this zone, we're going next up here. Overall, on the time frame, the market is in a trend, bro. Still in a bearish trend. So we trying to see what the market wants to do. To me, the market is still bearish until it comes up to this zone, and then we play up here to this pivot, and then we know it's gonna play up here to this trend line. Now let's go to the hourly time frame. We looking like, okay, we have the support right here. So off this, if it did want to play back down here, we still have a solid rejection, about 80 points. And then if it wanted to play up, we have a solid 40 points. So we're looking for both ways. Now PPI came out. It's very important, guys. I know there's a lot of technical analysis traders that don't use fundamental analysis. Why not have both? Understanding the news and how the news affect the market is very, very important. So PPI was supposed to be at a 0.2 today. It came out at a 0.2. Now, coming out of 0.1, the market could have went up a lot more, but it came out as expected. So when the market came out, as you can see at 8:30, it came out indecisive, but it did come out bullish. But the market ended up being bearish for the day, as you can see, but it did play back up. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Usually when you get news, man, don't hop in because you will take a L. Don't try to get in pre-market because the news came out at 8:30. You will take a L. Stick to what you're strong in, not at your weak points. Trust me, I've been through a lot, and if you see my last video, you'll get toasted. I lost a lot of pre-markets over the years, bro. Not gonna lie to you. Sorry, now we're looking at the 15-minute time frame. Remember what, like I said, I'm not taking a trade unless there's a clear structure off the 15-minute. Now, when I seen this right here, I was thinking we was gonna go up, but there was a rejection. So let me go to the 5-minute time frame. Remember, you want clarity when you trade. You don't want to go in with the confusion off the 1 and 2 minute. Make sure you can go somewhere where it's straight clarity. Because even if I didn't take this trade, bro, this was a support. Once it broke this support, we was automatically in a downtrend. Just based off of here, you looking at 34 points. You feel me? Even this is a support and retest right here. If you got in off this play right here and it broke right here, bro, you looking at another. That's a 40-point trade. You want clarity. That's what you want. I trade from 9:30 to 11. So let's go off the 5-minute time frame. So this is what I seen right here. Once I seen this right here, I thought the market was going to try to push because PPI, as you did see, it was bullish, but the market decided to reject it. So the high was right here. I thought it was going to play up to the wick, but it rejected off the zone 1, 2 times, and then here off the third play right here, it rejected off the third time. Now, when did I get into this play? This is what you're probably asking. Okay, so I got in once it broke this structure right here. So let's go off the 2-minute. We broke trend line. We still in a bearish trade. It's two confluences. We still bearish. Broke trend line. That's 3. Now, I think I did off the 1 minute. 2-minute time frame. I got in a little bit earlier, but I got in about right here, and I played it down for about 20 points. So it was a good trade. I could have got in right here once it broke the structure of this bar right here, or I could have got in once it came lower underneath here. Still would have been a great trade, but I did see off the 1 minute was something different. Let me go over to the 1 minute. So I seen it broke it. I mean, not break structure, but reject structure that 3 times, right? Now, I knew it was going to at least play to this trend line, but I feel like I knew it was going to reject from it. So once your boy seen this bar reject right here, I did go in for a contract. More than one contract, but I did go in early for a little bit, some contracts. And then once I seen this bar as a clear break, that's when I got in for more. and your boy held it. I mean, the trade was magnificent. You can really ask for a better trade than this. And the reason why I played it to this was my support right here was just because of this bar right here. This bar off the spa was a gap. So this was a gap, and this was pretty much the support. So to me, the strong support would have been right here. And as you can see, the wick plates are right there. And I was done. Like, I couldn't really ask for a better trade. This was an A+ setup, bro. Bear structure, rejects from the highs 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Break of a trend line, and a confirmation bar of a break. Retest. 5 confluences. And another thing too, it was under my EMA's cross. That was 6 confluences, bro. That's a lot of confluences to add up to make a great trade. The best trades you can get is when all your confluences add up together to make you want to get in that trade. When you have 1 or 2 confluences, that's not going to work. And then all my time frames was going good with this too for me. So I was like, this is a great trade for me to get into. I'm going to hop into this trade. I'm happy with this trade. And I couldn't ask for a better trade, bro, honestly. So remember, when you do trades, make sure you have confluences. It'll be your time frames. And if you don't understand confluences is things that add up to make the trade a good trade for you to take the trade. So time frames, there's your 4-hour, hourly, 15-minute, 30, whatever you use. I use 4-hour, hourly, 15, 5. Do those higher time frame match up to what your trade you're trying to trade if it's a bearish trade? Next thing is trend line. What's the trend line looking like? Is it above or close or underneath your EMAs? Bar confirmation. Like, just off this right here, bro, like, this was a mini pivot right here. So once it broke this pivot, I knew it was gonna play to the low. But I was very, very confident in my trade, because just look at it. I mean, this is technical analysis 101. Honestly, technical analysis 101. People could add the slants. As you can see, it's respected right here. So once I seen this fall, this was a support, rejected off the zone. Came up, rejection for a short. Came up to the high, rejected it. Boom. Assuming confirmations for this trade. So that was the trade for the day, man. I'm happy with this trade. I couldn't ask for a better trade. And let's lock in for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I am not trading on Mondays for a while. So yeah, man. Happy with the trade. So I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace. Keep your head up, man. If you took a loss, keep your head up. No matter what, keep your head up. Like I told you. Hold on. Where my paper at? Hold on. Give me 1 second. This is no disrespect to Top Step at all, mind you. But this piece of paper don't mean anything, because I've been funded plenty of times and I have lost funded accounts. And there's been many people who have done the exact same thing. But keep your head up. Anytime you lost, it's your fault. Know what you good at, what you bad at. My sinuses are messing up with me. Hold on. My bad. But know what you good at, know what you bad at, man. Like, Mondays is not a good day for me to trade. Every time I lost a funded account, it was always on a Monday. But I'll do great on Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Mondays is out the equation for me now. You know, wait for my time frames. Do not trade pre-market. Yes, futures trade 23 hours, but do not trade it. You know why? Because it's not your strength. You're not programmed to trade in the pre-market. Trade at night, bro. It's okay. It's cool. It's alright. But yeah, man. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace. We going up to the top, baby. When y'all see me, y'all better say, I like how truthful you was. Because I'm putting my business out there.